Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what I earned in June off YouTube once I got monetized. So I got monetized like around the 5th of June, somewhere around there. I hit 1,000 subscribers and I've smashed my 4,000 hours months ago. It took me ages to get my subscribers, but when I've watched videos, people say it's hard to get your hours over your subs. In my case, it was the other way around because we were doing like 20-minute videos and we got quite a lot of viewings, but nobody were clicking on subscribe. That was the main thing. So yeah, we smashed that. But in the month of June, we gained 135 subscribers through our videos. We got 100. No, we didn't. We got 23,500 views, which I'm very grateful for. And all in all, now we're on the 9th of July and we have 1,130 videos, subscribers, over about 100 videos, somewhere like that. So we're doing all right. But in June, I earned £65.09. So the minimum payment they send you is £60. So every time you hit £60, they'll send it, even if it takes 6 months. They'll calculate up and then they'll send you that. But obviously I've earned that in a month, so it works out well. So I'm receiving that payment on the 21st to the 26th of July. So it's more or less 3 weeks later, 3 weeks later, 3 weeks later. So I'm going to keep you up to date on how I'm doing each month. See if it goes up, or if it goes up, down, however. Just the reality of it, because you see these guys, I mean, I've got 11-year-old twins, and they watch some people, and they must be raking it in. Absolutely making thousands, hundreds of thousands, whatever you want to say. But yeah, they must be raking it in. But I thought I'd just give you a bit of an insight on what we do, and I'm so grateful for it because all I'm doing is doing a 3-minute video showing you what I'm doing, getting on with my work. So I'm still obviously working. 3-minute video, add that to it, so it comes into like a 20-minute video. But we've had a look at it, and every day I'm earning £1 every day, passive income off of old videos that people are still watching. Once the videos have been uploaded, I tend to earn between £5 and £10. For the good videos, I earn £15. And when I say good, I mean the same as all the other videos. So all you need to do is, it seems, is just put a negative title on and people will click on it. Like, oh my God, I can't believe I dug that up. Oh my God, this, oh my God, that. What is this about? And then it intrigues people to click on it, doesn't it? So that's it, basically. So to me, it's a bit of passive income, £1 a day. So that'll do me. I'm happy with £65. Just going to my savings. I'm not going to spend it now. Might get a new camera. Help you guys out. Show you a bit more stuff, But yeah, that's it, guys. And you don't start, like, I tell you what, we had a grab wagon come up and I had a camera out and they were like, do you earn all off that? And no, mate, I don't. I've only got 300 subscribers. Oh, there's no point doing it then. But now I've earned some, mate. I've stuck with it. Because I think I did it around Christmas time. I think I treated myself to a GoPro at Christmas. So it's taken 6 months to get to where I am. But yeah, you always look at people and they're like, oh my God, they've got 200,000 subscribers. How long's that taken? Once it gets going, I think more people see it. But getting it going and just getting a few views, you're like, oh, this is rubbish. But now all my views are roughly 1,200, between 1,000 and 1,200 views per video. Like I say, the negative ones, they're getting like 4,000 to 5,000, so I'm earning more off that. But yeah, I'm happy with £65. That'll do me. So, if you got any questions, drop us a comment and I'll answer them next month when I do my next one. But hopefully it's more than £65. So yeah, cheers guys and have a good week.